Hey guys, welcome to Omnitech. Today we're going to take a look at a tool called Windows Repair made by Restoro. It's partially free. So what that means is that you will be able to fix most of the problems in your computer with the free version of this software. When you go to the website, you click the Start Download. I will leave a link to this website on the description as always. I am not sponsored by this, but I just like this tool. And when you click download, it will prompt you to download it. It will come here on the corner. You click it, install it, and all that stuff. And when you install it, it will prompt you to either start scanning right away, or you can start manually. In my case, here is the Restoro software. You click yes. And then would you like to scan your PC? You hit yes again. It will start loading and it will start going through files and all that stuff on your computer to see if there is any startup problems, any file problems, malfunctions, DLL files problems, corrupted files, and viruses. The virus part is usually what costs money on this one. At the beginning, it starts compiling data about your entire system. It will show your PC profile, crashed programs, malwares, junk files, broken registry, and privacy traces. The free version, in my opinion, will be enough in most cases to get you up and running for a computer that might have some problems, might need some small minor fixes. If you are not exactly technically inclined to do all those manually, and as you see right here, it starts going through the modules, CPU, mainboard, memory, and all that stuff automatically to the end of it. And I'm gonna just fast forward this part. And as you see, I'm just going to abort it intentionally here because I already did the whole process and repaired all that I could repair. But in my opinion, if you just want something to fix your computer and get it up and running again, this software will do the job. And in any case, when your computer is highly congested and, it's gone a little bit too far, in that case, the best way to do it is just a fresh, clean install of Windows, which unfortunately happens, and always be mindful of backing up your files before you do anything else. You have the basic subscription here, or what do you call it, that you have for one-time use. You have premium for 1 year, but these are with most of the stuff that we're talking about, with unlimited this, unlimited that. In my case, it worked just fine, the free version, because that's all I needed to see how it works and if it does the job. And if you like it, you can just go ahead and buy it. As I said, I am not sponsored by Restoro or anybody affiliated with it. And with that said, I hope this video brought you some information that you've been seeking for to make light repairs for free, at least to start with. Then if you like it, as I said, you can just go ahead and buy whichever version you like out of it. The link will be in the description. And with that said, thank you for watching, and please hit that subscribe button. It helps tremendously, and I appreciate you for your time and your view here. See you next time. Bye!